When you see a blinking green light on your Nintendo Switch dock, it's telling you something important. This light is actually an error indicator that signals a problem with your setup. A solid green light means everything is working perfectly. Your dock is powered and communicating properly with your TV. But a blinking green light indicates an error that needs your attention. The blinking green light can be caused by several different issues. Power delivery problems account for about 40% of cases. HDMI communication issues make up 30%, and hardware malfunctions represent 20% of reported problems. This issue is especially common with older Nintendo Switch consoles manufactured between 2017 and 2019. As these consoles age, USB-C port wear and internal component degradation make docking problems more likely to occur. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is power cycling your Nintendo Switch dock. This resolves about 60% of blinking green light issues. This process clears any temporary power delivery issues and resets the communication between your dock and console. Next, verify all your connections. Loose HDMI cables cause 30% of docking issues. Also, ensure your dock has proper ventilation. Overheating can cause the green light to blink as a safety measure. If basic steps don't work, test your AC adapter with a multimeter. It should output exactly 15 volts at 2.6 amps. Also, try testing your dock with another Switch console if available, or test different HDMI cables to isolate the problem component. Update your Switch firmware and reset display settings. Then inspect the USB-C ports for damage or debris. Inspect both the console and dock USB-C ports carefully. Look for bent pins, debris, or corrosion. Clean gently with compressed air if needed. If problems persist after these steps, professional repair or dock replacement may be necessary. Here are your options and typical costs. Remember that basic troubleshooting resolves 65% of issues, while component replacement fixes 85%. Most docking problems are power-related and can be solved with these systematic steps.